Today we have an iPhone XR. The back of the phone is cracked. The person that brought in the phone says that the phone makes a rattlesnake noise. There's something wrong with the haptic engine. Phone is already cracked. There might be some cracks on the front. Customer wants to spend the least amount of money to fix this phone. So what we are going to do is disable the haptic engine on the phone. Is there a way to do that? Yes, there is a way to do that. Let me show you. First, let's hear the rattlesnake noise from the phone. Now to disable the haptic engine on the phone, you have to go to settings, sounds and haptics. Now let's scroll all the way to the bottom and let's disable system haptics. Let's go ahead and disable that, and this too as well. So that's 50% of the work. Now let's do the other 50%. Settings, accessibility, touch, then vibration. So let's disable that, and there should be no more noise anymore. So the phone won't vibrate anymore, and won't vibrate and it won't make that noise anymore. So there's no noise anymore, and there's no noise when no noise. So this is the easiest and cheapest way to fix this problem. Maybe in the future the customer will like to replace the part.
Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.